Good morning, children. Today, class for 8th class. Subject is physical science. Children, we started our lesson synthetic fibers and plastics. And in previous classes, we learnt about the natural fibers. But in our chapter, we are discussing about the different type of synthetic fibers. And we completed about the nylon. Okay, nylon was a first man-made synthetic fiber. Okay, and we discuss about the various uses of nylon in our daily life. Okay, children, today we are discussing about some general questions. If we use cotton cloth and cotton ropes in the preparation of parachutes, what will happen? Okay, if the cotton ropes are used in the preparation of that parachute, what will happen? Normally, by using parachutes, we are moving in the air to reach certain heights. But you know that when the cotton fibers are not so strong as compared with the nylon, so it is not correct to prepare parachutes by using cotton material. So we should compulsory make parachutes with the help of nylon material. Nylon material. Next one is nothing but traditionally fishermen used cotton nets. Nowadays, most of the fishermen are using nylon nets. What is the advantages of using nylon nets? So, when the fisherman uses the nets that are prepared by using cotton, at the time the quality of the net will be reduced, and sometimes the weight of the fishes are increasing in the net. There may be chance the breaking of net. Not only that one, when we dip the cotton material, it easily absorbs the water and become so weak. So that's why it is not correct to make the fishing nets by using the cotton material. At the same time, we can prepare the fishing nets by using the nylon material. It is the good thing. Why? Because the thing, but the nylon material does not absorb the water very easily, and the nylon material is very strong material when compared to the other fibers, and it bears more weights. So that's why we have to prefer to use the nylon material in the manufacturing of fishing nets. In the manufacturing of fishing nets. Next, normally nowadays most of the peoples are habituated to wear nylon saris. It is correct to wear only nylon saris. Do you agree with the statement? Okay. Normally the nylon materials cost is very less when compared to the cotton material. So it is commonly available to the all people in the society. It is one of the advantages. But the nylon material is not eco-friendly when compared to the cotton material. Why? Because nothing but the nylon material easily absorbs the heat and easily catches the fire. So we should avoid the usage of nylon material while we performing cooking, and during summer season it causes irritation. So always the better choice is to wear cotton sarees. Okay. Next, children, we are discussing about the next synthetic fiber is rayon. What? Rayon. We know the children that natural silk that is obtained from the silkworm is very costly when compared to the other dress materials. Natural silk that is obtained from the silkworm is very costly, and the poor people not even access it due to its cost. But everybody fascinated toward the silk. Okay, everybody attracted its luster, means shine, and the production of silk and the maintenance of silk cloths also one of the difficult process and time taking process. Okay, the production and the maintenance of silk cloths are also very difficult and time taking process, but its texture fascinates everyone. For so many years, so many scientists are attempted to make artificial silk by their efforts, and their efforts successfully at the end of the 19th century. Their efforts are successful toward the end of the 19th century. Next, the first commercial silk production was started in the USA in the year 1911. Okay, the first commercial production of artificial silk. Artificial silk is nothing but what? Rayon. What? Rayon. The properties of the rayons are similar as silk. So, the first commercial production of this artificial silk was started in the country USA in the year 1911. But this fiber, whatever it may be, the fiber prepared which was alternative to the silk was named as rayon in 1942. Okay, in 1942. Okay, we named this artificial silk as rayon in the 1942. Okay, the commercial production of artificial silk was started in the year 1911, but the name given to this artificial silk as rayon in the year 1942. Next, in India, the first rayon factory was established in the year 1946. Okay, in which state? In Kerala state. In Kerala state, in the year 1946, the first rayon manufacturing factory was started. So, how this artificial silk or rayon is prepared? You know, children, all type of synthetic fibers are manufactured from the petrochemicals, means from petroleum. But the rayon is prepared from the wood pulp, means nothing but plant source. What? Plant source, that is nothing but cellulose. What? Cellulose. Okay, means nothing but it is one of the synthetic fiber. It is one of the synthetic fiber that is manufactured by using that one plant source that is called as a cellulose fiber. So, if the rayon is obtained from the plant source, why we call it as a synthetic fiber? Okay, we know that one Rayon is obtained from the plant source. Why we call it as a synthetic fiber? So, in the process of preparation of rayon, we use certain chemicals. I mean, beside this wood pulp cellulose material, we use certain artificial chemicals in the preparation of rayon. That's why we name this artificial fiber as rayon. So, first of all, the cellulose or bamboo pulp that is collected from the plants. Okay, the cellulose material or the bamboo pulp that is collected from the plant material is treated with, means reacted with various type of chemicals. First of all, the wood pulp is mixed with sodium hydroxide chemical. First of all, the wood pulp is mixed with the chemical sodium hydroxide. Then we add carbon disulfide chemical to the cellulose material. Okay, first of all, we are mixing the cellulose with the sodium hydroxide, means one type of base, sodium hydroxide. Then we add what? Carbon disulfide to the wood pulp material. Normally, when we add these chemicals in the cellulose, immediately the cellulose materials is dissolved in these chemicals. Okay, when we add these chemicals to the wood pulp, immediately the cellulose material is dissolved in this chemical. So finally a syrup like substance is formed. Finally a syrup like substance is formed. This syrup like substance is called as nothing but a viscose material. Okay, a syrup like substance is formed. That syrup like substance is called as a viscose material. Okay, so first of all, the wood material or a bamboo pulp is collected from the plant. Then it is treated or reacted with sodium hydroxide. Then after the addition of sodium hydroxide, we add carbon disulfide. Finally a syrup like substance is formed. This syrup like substance is called as a viscose material. What? Viscose material. Then this viscose material is passed through a spinner net. Spinner net, nothing but the metal plate that have very small holes. A metal like plate is there, means one metal plate is there that have small holes. When we pass this viscose material, immediately the silk like threads are forming. Immediately, okay, silk like threads are forming. And in spinner net we are also using another type of chemical called as nothing but sulfuric acid. In spinner net we are also using what? Another chemical called as nothing but sulfuric acid. Normally the threads that are formed during this process are cleaned with soap. Okay, normally the silk threads that are formed during this process are cleaned with soap and dried. So the newly formed fibers are called as rayon. The newly formed fibers are called as what? Rayon. So that's why rayon is called as artificial fiber. Next, normally, what are the advantages of rayon? Rayon is very cheap when compared to the silk. Means the cost of rayon is accessible to everyone. Okay, so that is the first advantages. And the rayon can be dyed in a wide variety of colors. Okay, while in the manufacturing of silk, we use certain colors only, but we use or we can manufacture the cloths of rayon in wide variety of colors. It is another advantages of rayon. Next, normally what materials or what articles are made from rayon? Normally, rayon is mixed with the cotton. So rayon is artificial fiber and cotton is natural fiber. So here we combines one of the artificial fiber with a natural fiber to make bed sheets. What? To make bed sheets. Not only that one, rayon is often mixed with wool. So rayon is artificial or synthetic fiber. Wool is a natural fiber. So rayon is mixed with wool, and we make carpets. What? We make carpets. Not only that one, rayon is often used to in the manufacturing of fashion designing cloth. Why? Because nothing but it have good luster and shine. That's why it is used to make fashion designing cloths. Not only that one, rayon is mainly used in the manufacturing of sanitary products. Okay, so infants or babies are means nothing but we use diapers for smaller infants. So in the manufacturing of diapers, we are using that one rayon. Not only that one, in the manufacturing of bandages, okay, in the dressing of wounds, also we use that rayon. Okay, not only that one, another disadvantages of rayon is nothing but rayon is not perfect to prepare all fabrics. By because nothing but it is made up of cellulose material, that is plant material. It absorbs water easily. So when the rayon absorbs water, the fibers of the rayons are become very weak. Become very weak. When the fibers are become very weak, the cloth maybe break very easily. So it have good luster, good look, but a major disadvantage is nothing but when we soak in the water, it will easily absorb the water, and the fibers are very break very easily. Okay, next, here we combine artificial fibers with natural fibers to make various type of cloths. Why? Because nothing but to increase the quality of the cloth. Okay, so normally at our home, generally we are using that one doormats. So this doormats also prepared from synthetic fibers only. So most of the doormats are prepared by using that one rayon material only. Why? Because nothing but the character, one of the characteristic of the rayon is nothing but absorption of water. So that's why we are using that one rayon material to make that one doormats. And another thing, nothing but what characteristics make rayon better than natural silk? So rayon luster, shyness, brightness is same as natural silk. Another one is nothing but to maintain rayon is very easy when compared to silk, and the cost of rayon is very less when compared to the silk, and the rayon is accessible to everyone. So these are the advantages of rayon.